Well, good morning, everybody. This is looking like a very popular presentation and webinar. Thank you all for attending. I know you have a busy day. It's a busy schedule, and just want to make sure that we accommodate all your needs here. We're gonna do this in about 20 to 25 minutes and just get through this pretty quickly. Hopefully, you can obviously hear me and see my screen. If you can just raise your hand real quick, I'd appreciate it. Thank you, Veronica, Candice. All right, great. We got a large group of people. This just shows what a incredibly relevant presentation this is, obviously, with everything going on in the world today. Just want to do a quick shout out here. You know, we're having a great day at Paladin. I hope you're having a great day as well. It's actually evidence of spring might be on the horizon here, so we're kind of excited about that. Our prayers and thoughts go out to everybody that's affected by the coronavirus, whether it's the virus itself or the economy or just don't like staying at home, whatever it might be. You know, also I want to put a shout out as well for those who are hit by the nasty weather that we had in the last couple of weeks. So again, welcome everybody. My name is Charles Owen. I'm with Paladin Data Corporation, and we're going to tell you and talk to you today about transforming your business with mobile. So what we're going to learn is, you know, why mobile, why now? I think it's pretty relevant and also obvious, but we'll talk about that. We'll look at some of the Paladin mobile apps that we have that you can use to help drive business to your store. Also, we're going to feature a couple of new mobile devices that you'll see here, and you'll be able to make a purchase of at least one of these products today if you're interested. And we'll talk about also capturing the audience not only in store and in line, but also online. Talk about how to do that as well. Some of these things we've talked about in the past, but it's always good to kind of roll them out again, just to remind you. We're going to talk about bringing the digital experience to your in-store with easy ad, so billboards and advertising, and then also remote access, so you can get access to the Paladin system from anywhere, anytime. So why mobile, why now? So as I mentioned, it's pretty obvious. Expand the reach of where you and how you service your customers, right? Whether it's in-store, in the garden center, in the yard, on the road. Enables easy curbside pickup, which is a huge popular topic at this moment, since everybody's wearing masks and nobody wants to touch anything or go into stores, and so it's a great service to provide. We offer you the capability to do that. Collect signatures at drive-through, pickup locations, and during deliveries. That's all very important. And then also offer delivery service to save your customers time. Of course, expand your business offerings and get more people in your store shopping more often, spending more money. That's what it's about, right? So the mobile apps that we've featured in the past, and some we're going to take a closer look at, is the mobile to checkout, mobile to deliver, mobile to show, mobile to sig. We're not really going to be featuring the mobile to show and mobile to sig today. Those products have been around for a long time. They're browser-based, and it's a mobile to show and sig are both wonderful products. You can actually put a little tablet somewhere on your counter, and your customers can watch the invoice as it's ringing up. So that's mobile to show. And then to take that one step further, if you want them to sign somewhere other than the signature capture pad, they can also sign on the tablet with mobile to sig. The products we're going to be featuring today, we're going to be speaking of, are going to be checkout and deliver. So let's look at mobile to checkout. So mobile to checkout works on newer Android devices, and it's very specific in Android versions, right? So the past versions not going to work so well, but the versions that we're selling today, it will work with just fine. Sell anytime, anywhere. So that's the bottom line, right? This device enables you to go anywhere you want. Load up the back of your trunk, your pickup, drive it to the flea market, or take it to a mini trade show somewhere in your local region, and you can sell right from this device. And it logs it in the store as though it was sold, and documents your inventory and everything else, and does all the things that it needs to do to register that in the store. Accept multiple tender types, so you can not only include cash, checks, and charge account, but you can also use credit cards and gift cards as well. Store orders as a quote and then do an in-store checkout. So you can actually walk around with somebody, drive the products, build your quote, and at that moment you can just say, let's store it as a quote, and then you can go in the store and finish it off. Now, something I want to mention here also is recall stored quotes on your checkout mobile device. So this is something that if you're using mobile checkout today, you're going, what? This is available? And I'm going to say, yes, it will be available very shortly. You will have to re-download the application with help from Paladin, but yes, you'll be able to recall stored quotes in the very, very near future. Very important thing, especially today with curbside pickup. So you can build the quote either over the phone or through the website or however it's done, and then you can store that as a quote. When they come to pick up, you just recall that quote on the checkout device. Very, very cool thing. Also, it now also supports pricing plans and trade discounts. So we're continually adding features to this product, and obviously process returns as well. Moving on to mobile to deliver. So this is an app that runs on a tablet, and it is browser based, so it doesn't really have to be an Android or anything like that. It just needs a browser. But you can view your scheduled deliveries. You'll schedule your deliveries on the Paladin system, maintain your schedules there. But then when the driver picks this up, all of the addresses will be in there. It'll take them there, lead them there through the built-in map. And at the on-site, they can accept electronic signatures. They can take a photograph. They can put notes in there. They can reduce the number of quantity of items if they didn't want the whole load. You can make that change. Automatically credits their accounts in real time, and then of course collect a signature at the very end, and that seals the deal, closes the invoice, and now in Paladin on the scheduler it shows that it was delivered, and the invoice is there, the final invoice, and the signature is collected. Moving on to new mobile devices. So this is where we're featuring, this is a new featured product right here. This is a Touch Dynamics Quest 3 tablet. It is a full-on Paladin license, full Windows version, full everything, and it also has an embedded chip reader, card swipe, barcode scanner, all of the things and the devices that you have connected to your point-of-sale systems at the counter is now all in one in a tablet. So you can carry it around anywhere in your store, at curbside, what have you. And as long as you have Wi-Fi access to your store, because it will be communicating with the server in the store. The difference from this and checkout is obviously checkout, you can go anywhere. You can sell from, 3 states over. There's no limitation to the distance. But with the Touch Dynamics being a full Paladin license, it's going to need to connect to the server. So you need to have Wi-Fi. So as long as you're anywhere in your store, vicinity of your store, you have Wi-Fi access, you're going to be able to use this product. So this is great for curbside. It's also great for inventory control. It's great for building quotes. It's great for anything because it's a full-on license of Paladin. It also provides the M3 Level 3 certification. It's currently compatible with most of you that are using WorldPay out there and the DataCap application. It is 100% compatible with that. And it does support signature capture as well. Moving on to the next product. So the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 2, this is a current offering that we have today. And we've had this for a while, but we continually, as I mentioned before, we're upgrading this all the time and adding new features to it. So this is an Android device, and it's intended to be used with mobile to checkout, but it also works with other products as well. Sell anytime, anywhere with an internet connection. So this device you can take anywhere, literally, and sell out of your store. So it's a great tool. Just going to make things so much easier when you're at the local festivals or wherever you're setting up a booth and you want to sell things, or as I mentioned before, a flea market or swap meet. you can sell it. Just take this device. You can leave the country and still sell from your store as long as you have this device and connection to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Collect signatures. It has an optional card reader that you can see in the photograph here down below. That just plugs into the top of the unit and you swipes. Does not support EMV today, but it does support swipes, so it'll be fine. It will allow you to take credit cards. On this device, it also is, it's very compact. It's an 8-inch, so it's easy to use, easy to hold, and it also comes with a rugged and resistant pen and screen. So it was intended to kind of take a little more rougher treatment. So this is a great product. Now this product today you can get on our website. If you log into store.paladinpos.com, or you go to your menu at the very top of your Paladin application and go under help, you can go to our store that way as well, or just go to paladinpointofsale.com and there's a website drop down. You can click on our store there. There's a monthly special going on right now for this bundle. It includes the reader, the card reader, as I mentioned before, and this device and the pen, and it's all included for $620 basically. This also will help you with other things like mobile to deliver, because it has a webinar, or a webinar. It has a web browser also in it, so you can use mobile to deliver, show SIG, mobile access, what you're using today, to check your revenue and check items in your inventory from anywhere. Pointy and EasyAdd, all are supported on this device. So guys, if you want this, if this is something that you want to do, at the end of this webinar, just jump out and buy it, and you'll have it the next few days, I imagine. So capturing online audience. So this is jumping into, again, we've mentioned this before. We talk about this. Pointy is one of our partners, and it really does help put your store on the map when it comes to virtual sites. And when people are using the web and Google to search for products, it can put your store right there on the top, where it has your products that you provide. And if they're searching for products, it'll just bring up your store. It's a wonderful solution, a marketing solution. You know, it's great to help you compete with the big box stores and everybody else that's spending a lot of money with Google. This is just a no-brainer to do. So check out pointy.com/paladin to sign up there for that. Also, meeting your customers not only inline but online as well. We have e-commerce integrations. The one that we've had for a while is Volusion. We integrate this, so we're integrating things like the stock on hand that's bi-directional. Also, prices are maintained in Paladin, as well as descriptions and other things. So this just keeps everything up to date. As you sell in Volusion, it records it in Paladin. So at the end of the day, you can see on your revenue report everything you did from your in-store and brick and mortar, as well as what you did on your website. So pretty nice. We also have just now introducing e-commerce integration with EasyAdd. This is something that we're actually putting together right now with one of our customers who is actually joining us on the call. And we're very excited about this, because this will enable stores to very rapidly have a web store presence, have an e-commerce presence within days. And it's all integrating Paladin with the EasyAdd, and they come up with the images, they come up with the long descriptions, they do all that stuff. They manage, like, 10 million products or something. So it's an incredible, another nice service if you want to jump into that realm. Bring the digital experience in store. So this is your option to have EasyAdd as your poster or billboard in your store, where you can promote products that you have in your store. This is for shoppers. They can see products that you're selling that are on sale. It supports in-store digital signage, video, print signs, real-time inventory control, pricing, competitive price comparisons. It all does that from a single app. So this is another product that EasyAdd provides. The E-commerce is another one that I just mentioned to you moments ago. This is their system that they've had for a while, their ad system. So if you want to sign up for that, just go to easyadtv.com/Paladin. So remote access. The final thing I want to mention today is get the question a lot of times: can I work from home? Obviously, you need to work from home, particularly in this environment right now. So yes, you can. You can either use TeamViewer or go to my PC or something like that, or for a couple of few bucks a month, you can use Paladin Pilot. So Paladin Pilot gives you remote access to your business network from anywhere. You can be at home, you can be in a hotel, you can be on the road, you can be at wherever you want, and you can access your computer from afar. So this is very quick, very easy for us to set up. It actually comes today free for the first 6 months. So if you want to sign up for this, like I said, just a few bucks a month per terminal. I think it's a great service. It does provide also two-step authentication using your smartphone, and gives you that extra security. All right. So guys, that was it. If you have any questions, which I see a question now, let me see if I can bring it up here. Can we add signature requirement to the Samsung tablet for cash entry? I think so. I know that we can, in the in-store experience with the Paladin, we can go ahead and require signature for cash. But I'm not sure about on the tablet. That's a good question. Thank you for that. I think there's another question in here. If I can just make my box bigger, give me a second. Here we go. Does the Galaxy Tab need a license? Very good question, Brian. And the answer is no. You do not need a license for Paladin at this time. I don't know if we'll ever add a license, but currently you don't. But however, for the other product, the tablet that we're talking about, you can see if I can jump back to it here. We do require a license because it's a full-on Paladin license, and that's the Touch Dynamics Quest 2 tablet. So yes, we do. All right, so Julie, here's the question I was dreading. Does it work for prescriptions? Sort of. It does not integrate with your pharmacy system from the road at this time, but it is something that we have on the radar, and hopefully that will be coming into the system sometime in the future. So what cellular networks do the mobile products use? It's up to whatever cellular network that you want. I believe that the big three are there. You got your AT&T, you got your Verizon, cellular. So that's a device thing. It's whatever you prefer. Hopefully it's one that you currently use today, because if you want full-on mobile access, you'll want unlimited access, and you can do that with your provider. All right, can you send us the links to Pointy and Volusion? Yes, I thought they're there. Let me jump here for a second. So Pointy, the link is just pointy.com/Paladin. So that is the link there. Also, if we, what's the other link? Volusion, yes, the Volusion one is on here also. The link is down below. It's volusion.com/partner/Paladin-data-corporation. You type in that, it'll walk you through the sign-up process. All right. I think that's all we have for questions. And we're just almost coming up to 20 minutes. So this is good. I didn't drag you all into this for a long period of time. I know you're all busy. Do appreciate the time. There is another question here. We just got two more. Quest will work through VPN. Will Quest work through VPN, making it usable anywhere? I don't know, John. We'll have to I'll have to get you an answer to that and get back with you. Then the next question is, do you know the average data requirements for a typical transaction? I don't know what that question is, Veronica. I think Do you know the average data requirements for a typical transaction? They're not very heavy. Oh, regarding data usage, I don't know. It's not a whole lot of data and information that's being streamed, so that's a good question. If I were doing this, I would sign up with the unlimited because that just gives you anytime, anywhere for as long as you want. And I understand, yeah, a lot of people do have limited data, and it's something that you obviously and absolutely need to consider. So it depends. It depends on that. Yep. All right. I think we are concluded. Although there's one more thing before I let you all go here. Let me go ahead and take you to the final slide here. So this is very important. Don't leave yet. So we need your feedback. We need your input. You know, we struggle with trying to find relevant topics to talk about on the webinar. This is your opportunity to voice your opinion and tell us what you want. It's a very simple question. If you go to paladinpos.com/webinars, or when you get this presentation, you can click on the Take Survey link that will take you to that spot, or you can go to paladinpointsell.com and click on Help and then go to Webinars. All of those ways will get you and lead you to the survey. It's one question only. So please, I implore you all just to take 3 minutes out, log into the site, give us your ideas and topics, because we want to make sure that we're staying relevant for you and this isn't a waste of your time. So hopefully it was useful. Again, our prayers and thoughts go out to everybody that's affected by the virus and weather. Hope you do well. Hope you're having a lot of success in your store. We're going to all get through this. It's something that I know and I trust in. So thanks, everybody. We will talk to you next time. Until then, have a great day.